He went directly over the whole top of it. All right. They had to come on the crest of the hill. That's what I did. It was the crest of the hill. If we were straight, I could have kept it straight. And I can't believe it hit the grass and shot across the street. I hit the brakes, it slid.
I know, you would have thought it would have just like stopped when it hit the grass.
Alright guys, as you can see, the truck got completely run over. The GoPro got run over directly underneath the wheels of that truck. So let me get things apart here and I'll get you back on with the damage. Alright. You want to know something? Look at this thing. It doesn't even look like it got run over. In fact, the only damage I see is this spot right here. But let's get this body off of here. And besides it being dirty, the frame might be bent, but I can't tell by eye. Maybe a little bit. All right, and here's one more thing before I take it inside and go through it. Let's see if it actually still works. It still works. This wheel's wobbly, but I gotta go through the truck. The switch came off, but this thing got directly run over by a Dodge Ram, and it still runs and drives, and the body is still in perfect condition except for this little scratch right there. All right, guys, that's it. It's not a happy day for RC Show Off, but it could have been worse. The guy who hit the truck was very cool. He let it go. My truck got some damage on it. Nobody got hurt, as the most important part. So it was stupid on my part. Don't go driving your RC cars on the road, even if it is a cool factor. I mean, I am a giant show off, and sometimes showing off doesn't always go the way that you want it to go. So thanks for watching.